Welcome to this video on seed oil versus sugar, which is worse. When it comes to our diets, we are often told to limit our sugar intake, but have you ever stopped to consider the impact of seed oils on our health? In this video, we will be comparing the health effects, risks, and sources of both seed oil and sugar to determine which one may be more harmful to our bodies. Seed oils and sugar are both common components of our diets, but they have different effects on the body. Seed oils are extracted from seeds such as canola, sunflower, and soybeans, and are commonly used in cooking and food processing. These oils are often high in polyunsaturated fats, which can be beneficial in small amounts, but harmful in excess. This is because polyunsaturated fats are more susceptible to oxidation than other types of fats, and when they become oxidized, they can produce harmful compounds that damage cells in the body. One of the main concerns with seed oils is their high omega-6 fatty acid content. Omega-6 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies need, but we only need them in small amounts. Unfortunately, many people consume too many omega-6 fatty acids relative to omega-3 fatty acids, which can contribute to chronic inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a range of health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Sugar, on the other hand, is a simple carbohydrate that is found in many foods, including fruit, vegetables, and processed snacks. When we consume sugar, it causes a spike in blood glucose levels, which triggers the release of insulin, a hormone that helps to regulate blood sugar levels. Over time, consuming too much sugar can lead to insulin resistance, a condition in which the body becomes less responsive to insulin and is unable to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. This can lead to a range of health concerns, including type 2 diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. While both seed oils and sugar can have negative effects on our health, it's important to consider the sources of each. For example, natural sugars found in fruit and vegetables provide important nutrients and fiber that can benefit our health, while added sugars in processed foods offer little nutritional value and contribute to a range of health concerns. Similarly, some seed oils, such as olive oil, have been linked to health benefits when consumed in moderation, while others, such as soybean oil, may have harmful effects on the body. It's also important to note that not all types of sugar and seed oils are created equal. For example, fructose, a type of sugar found in fruit, is metabolized differently in the body than glucose, which is found in many processed foods. Fructose is processed by the liver, whereas glucose is used by the body's cells for energy. This means that consuming too much fructose, especially in the form of added sugars, can contribute to liver damage and other health concerns. Similarly, some types of seed oils, such as canola oil, may have health benefits when consumed in moderation, while others, such as corn oil, may have harmful effects on the body. It's important to read labels carefully and choose oils that are high in monounsaturated fats and low in omega-6 fatty acids, such as olive oil or avocado oil. In conclusion, while both seed oils and sugar can have negative effects on our health when consumed in excess, it's important to be aware of the sources of each and to aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. By making informed choices about what we eat, we can help to promote good health and reduce our risk of chronic disease. Thank you for watching this video on seed oil versus sugar, which is worse. We hope that it has provided you with a better understanding of the health effects, risks, and sources of these two common food components. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness.